Now, this one is not a crime story, but very, very important for Indians in the United States. International travel itself is becoming a casualty of global instability. Air India is reportedly making deep cuts to major international routes beginning June 2026. Flights involving America, Canada, Singapore, Australia, and China, they are being reduced or cancelled. And you know what? The reasons reveal how interconnected the entire world has become. Jet fuel prices have reportedly doubled after global tensions and oil instability. In the meantime, Indian airlines are also facing complications because of Pakistan airspace restriction, forcing the aircraft to take longer route and consume more fuel. And now passengers are directly feeling the impact. Air India is reportedly cutting routes involving Chicago, involving Toronto, Vancouver, and New York, along with Newark. Now, some routes they are being suspended completely for months. Others are seeing more frequency in reduction. Now, for Indians abroad, specifically the US, this matters very much. Students, families, workers, immigrants, business travelers, everybody becomes affected here. And you know what? This segment shows something very important tonight. Wars and geopolitical tension do not remain distant television story anymore. They directly affect the fuel prices, airline routes, migration pattern, and ordinary people trying to travel between the countries. Now, in the end, let's hop on to our final segment tonight, a heartbreaking story revealing the brutal reality of illegal migration route in America. A 22-year-old Gujarati girl has reportedly spent the last 2 months inside a New York jail after allegedly attempting to enter America illegally through the Canadian border route. According to reports, the girl traveled after marriage arrangements connected to relatives already living in America. She was arrested near Niagara County in March and reportedly still remains there in detention despite possible deportation paperwork. Now, this particular story, it exposes the underground migration economy operating very quietly between India, Canada, and the United States. Agents reportedly charge huge amount of money. Families become desperate. Illegal border routes expand. The whole report says that many people earlier, they entered through Canadian student or maybe visitor's visa before attempting illegal crossing into America. But now, even Canada has tightened visa policy. And according to that particular report, fake marriages, immigration fraud operation, and illegal crossing network continue functioning despite the increasing crackdown here. In fact, some cases reportedly involved women entering fake marriages just for what? Green card, before later sponsoring the actual partner here. And sometimes the situation, it turns tragic. Families spend huge sum of money. Young people risk their lives and they may end up detained, deported, or exploited. So tonight, the story reveals a painful truth. For many families, America still appears like an ultimate destination, no matter the risk is. But illegal migration route can destroy lives long before the dream is ever achieved. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's stories are uncomfortable, but they are real. They reveal the hidden cost of desperation, illegal migration, greed, global pressure, and the relentless chase for success abroad. The American dream still attracts billions of Indians. But tonight, one thing is becoming painfully clear. That dream is becoming harder, riskier, and far more dangerous than many people realize. Visa investigation, fraud crackdown, allegations of bad substances, layoffs, illegal crossing, detention, international scrutiny. And in the middle of all are ordinary people trying to build life for themselves, but just abroad. Some succeed, some lose everything, and perhaps tonight's biggest lesson is this. No shortcut to success comes without consequences. No illegal route comes without risk, and no dream is worth losing your entire future over. I'm Dhriti Attri. This is Skyline. I will see you in the next one.